I'm Mark from ARC. Today I'm going to show you 4 great ways to make your life as a trailer boat owner easier and more enjoyable. So you can spend more time out there on the water and less time here at the boat ramp, or worse still, somewhere on the side of the road. The first product worth knowing about is the ARC Trailer Rescue Kit. Like me, you don't think about having a puncture on the side of the road or having seized bearings miles away from home, but it can happen, and it could happen to you. This is why we created the ARC Trailer Rescue Kit, to give boat owners an easy way of carrying not just a spare wheel, but a complete hub or disc hub wheel assembly with pre-greased bearings that's ready to go at a moment's notice. All you need is the ARC Trailer Rescue Kit, an ARC hub or disc hub that fits your trailer and your spare trailer wheel. Then you simply attach the assembly to your winch post or drawbar, pre-grease your bearings, attach your hub or disc hub, bearings and spare wheel, and you're ready to roll. Hopefully it's something you'll never need, but I guarantee if you do, it'll be an absolute lifesaver. Just knowing you've got one fitted gives you the confidence to take your trailer boat anywhere you want to go. The second product I'd like to tell you about is something you'd wish you had fitted to your trailer years ago, the ARC Easy Guide. No matter how carefully you plan your day out on the water, wind, weather and water conditions are something you can't control. And the conditions could be a lot different from the time you launch to the time you return. So if you're anything like me, you'll often find yourself struggling to get your boat back on the trailer due to change in wind and water conditions pushing your boat sideways. Or if you do, you'll find yourself soaked up to your waist again. But with ARC's Easy Guide roller system, you can really simplify launching and loading your boat. The Easy Guide will guide your boat quickly and safely to the centre of the trailer every time. So wind, currents and rough water will no longer be an obstacle, even if you're on your own. For under $200, you can retrofit your Easy Guide to just about any boat trailer, new or used, from 3.6 metre to 8.5 metre, and it's suitable for both powerboats and sailboats. So do yourself and your family a favour. Make launching and retrieving your trailer boat a breeze with the ARC Easy Guide, the self-aligning boat loading system you wish you'd fitted years ago. The third product is something you wouldn't have heard of before. It's the ARC Telescopic Trailer Light Board. For many boat owners with ageing trailers and failing electricals, the trailer board is a simple and cost-effective alternative to buying lights and fitting them. As many of you will know, storing a light board once you've got to the boat ramp is always a problem. It doesn't fit in the boot of the car, and if you place it into the vehicle whilst you're out in the water, there's a strong possibility of warping under high temperature. So ARC have come up with a unique new product, Australia's first and only telescopic trailer light board that starts off at 85 centimetres, but then extends up to either 1.5 metre or 1.85 metres at the push of a button. They even have a choice of 8 different extension lengths in between. So at just 85 centimetres, they'll easily fit into the boot of your car. Other unique features are that they come fitted with a built-in number plate holder and number plate light, LED lights, fastening straps, and 8 metres of cable moulded to our new universal adapter socket. This means all you need to do is to choose the right connector for your vehicle, and with one click, attach it to the universal adapter system on your trailer board. No screws and nothing fiddly, so it can be fitted in under 1 minute. So if you're thinking about getting a new trailer board, you'd be mad not to consider one of these telescopic ones. Another great idea from ARC. The final products you should consider investing in are a good security lock, and ARC have a terrific range of wheel locks, coupling locks and outboard motor locks to secure your investment. So you might think it'll never happen to you, but hundreds of boats are stolen around Australia every year. To help stop this happening to you, ARC have designed a full range of trailer and locking devices to meet your needs. The first type are what we call coupling locks, which attach to your trailer coupling to prevent anyone hitching up to your boat. Both of these can be used to secure your trailer when it's attached as well as when it's unattached from your vehicle. The second type are wheel locks that prevent your trailer wheel from moving. There's the lockjaw style with anti-pick lock, or the new compact wheel clamp that suits 13 to 16-inch wheel sizes. Also, to stop someone walking off with your motor between trips or when it's parked at the marina, we even have an outboard motor lock that secures most outboard motor and electric motors. So remember, for a small investment, you can secure your boat, engine or trailer with an ARC locking device. I'm Mark from ARC. I hope you enjoyed the products we showed you to make your life as a trailer boat owner easier and more enjoyable. For more information on the ARC towing, trailer and four-wheel drive products, visit our website at arccorporation.com. Thanks for listening. See you out in the water.